Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. Several issues like wrong settings, app conflict could interrupt Snapchat notification. If notification is not working, you might miss out on all those juicy snap. Firstly, you need to check whenever push notification is enabled in the Snapchat. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open your iPhone settings. Now look for the Snapchat option from the app list. Click Snapchat. Then click Notifications. Then turn on notifications. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.